Hey everybody, so I haven't done a drone video in a while. I've done mainly some soccer and some tech videos, so I wanted to do another drone video, but I was having trouble coming up with something that I really was into or felt like taking a video of. So I happen to live next to some train tracks, and I've noticed the train passing right every day. So I started to do a little research, and I found this website, as you can see here, www.asm.transitdocs.com, and it's kind of cool. It shows you trains that are in real time on certain tracks. So for example, I live in Austin currently, and I can see that this one, I've been tracking it for a couple of days, so it doesn't show all the trains, but I've noticed that every day there's number 21 that goes from Chicago to San Antonio, the Texas Eagle, and then you have 22 that goes the other way to Chicago. So I've been trying to actually time it right so that I can get out there and fly and get some footage of this train as it crosses this bridge here in Austin. So I'm going to try to do that today and show you guys. If you click on the train, you can see more or less its location, its speed, and the last update. So hopefully today's the day that I can catch it and share it with you guys. So should be seeing that here coming up with the Parrot Bebop 2. I'm going to use a Sky controller. So we'll see how that turns out. Using Google Maps, you can actually complement this information here. So let me see. It's still about half an hour out. Refresh that real quick. In case anybody out there by chance wants to do something similar, this is probably the best way to do it. So I can see that it's just left Taylor, and that's about 6 minutes ago. So then I can go to Google Maps, and I can go Taylor to Austin. I can put it on train up here, and there you have the Texas Eagle. It should be arriving at 6:22. Although it does say Sunday, so I wonder how accurate that is. But I can also then change this to San Antonio. And I can see that it arrives, if I look at the details right here, see the stops in between, so it should be in Austin at 6:30, which, even though it says Sunday, it does seem to be matching up with what I'm seeing here, so it should give me a better idea to be ready over there by 6:30 so I can catch it. So definitely think today's going to be the day here. Let me see where it's at now. So it's about 10 minutes delayed. Yeah, so here we go. I think it's gonna work. So just wanted to share that real quick. You can also use Google Maps, and we'll see how accurate this is here in a few minutes.